Hello, my name is Christian Zappa, and I'm the founder of Cleanr Property Maintenance here in Winnipeg. First of all, thank you for taking a second to check out this video and learn more about our 200% guarantee. I'm just going to go into it really quickly and explain exactly what that means for you. So our 200% guarantee essentially means that when you hire us, you're covered. You know that no matter what happens, the job will get done and it'll get done to 100% of your satisfaction. To dig a little deeper, that means when you hire us, we'll send out a crew to get the job done. Now, our expectation with our crews is to make sure the job is always done to 100% satisfaction. In the event that something is missed or something's forgotten, let us know and we'll get a crew back there immediately to make sure it's taken care of. In the event that it's still, isn't to your satisfaction or something's wrong, we're willing to put our money where our mouth is and make sure you're satisfied. What we'll do, and this is the point of the 200 in the 200% guarantee, is we will pay a competitor to go out and do that service just to make sure it's done. That way, you know you're covered no matter what. If you hire Cleanr Property Maintenance, your property will be taken care of the right way.